VIDEX LED Floodlight 20 watts. Compact size, powerful light. Today I'm showing you this VIDEX LED Floodlight, rated at 20 watts with an output of 1,900 lumens. A perfect solution for outdoor and indoor lighting. This projector uses modern LED technology, giving bright white light while keeping energy consumption low. With only 20 watts of power, it replaces much stronger halogen lights, helping you save electricity without losing brightness. The color temperature is around 6,500 Kelvin, producing clean daylight white illumination, ideal for garages, workshops, yards, entrances, or storage areas. The housing is made from durable aluminum for efficient heat dissipation, keeping the LED cool and extending its lifespan. The front is protected by tempered glass, making it resistant to dust and splashes, thanks to its IP65 waterproof rating. It comes with an adjustable metal bracket so you can easily mount it on walls, ceilings, or fences and set the perfect lighting angle. Main specifications: power, 20 watts, brightness, 1,900 lumens. Color temperature, daylight white, around 6,500 Kelvin. Protection rating, IP65, suitable for outdoor use. Long LED lifespan with low maintenance. Whether you need reliable lighting for your workshop, driveway, garden, or DIY projects, this VIDEX LED Floodlight is a simple, efficient, and budget-friendly choice. Strong light, low power, easy installation. And if you enjoy tool reviews and DIY content like this, don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and join the Mr. Eaglestone Workshop crew. See you in the next video.